It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I wanna be shopping. It's my life.
Hey guys, so I'm going to Bali tomorrow, which is crazy to think about, but also kind of stressful because traveling by myself, where I have to like plan out my own logistics, stresses me the fuck out. And so I'm packing. Let me turn you guys around and show you guys what the damage has been. So I have this green folder that I use for my travel documents, and I also got this cleansing balm the other day from Don Donkey. I'm really excited to try it out. I've been really enjoying Sika as an ingredient, and I still have some of my old cleansing balm, the Vanilla & Co. one, but I got an extra because I was thinking that I might run out soon. I'm trying to think about what I want to pack and like what outfits I want to wear. I didn't bring that many clothes to Singapore to begin with, so I don't have too many options, but I do want to pack light since I don't have a carry-on luggage, and I'm trying to fit as much as I can into my book bag. Ooh, don't look at the trash. And the remnants I'm just gonna put in Alan's carry-on because he has one. Also, I only had one bathing suit. This is from Aerie, by the way, and I bought wait, I just realized these are like so similar in texture. What the hell? Clearly your girl has a type. But I got this really cute white bathing suit from H&M, and I just wanted at least 2 bathing suits to like rotate between, so I definitely want options in case one's like drying and one so I can like alternate. Y'all know the drill. But anyways, I'm also bringing my favorite mom shorts ever. These are from Pull & Bear, and I like how I can extend the bottoms and make them look almost like more Bermuda short type length, or I can roll them up and just kind of keep them looking a little bit more fitted, and I love the versatility of that. I have our residential college's farewell like formal dinner tonight, which I am quite excited for. Also, I have like clothes drying that I haven't taken down. I should take them down so it doesn't look like I live in a hamster nest. But I need to get ready for that soon too, so I'm gonna try to just get some high level packing out of the way and then delve into proper packing in a bit.
He called me ugly on the inside and the outside. I'm sorry, but he's just wrong about the outside part.
Walk into the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then
We finished eating and Alan's in the bathroom, so I'm just waiting here. I'm so tired, you guys. I could literally fall asleep.
keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
It's beautiful here, even though I've been like so stressed for like the past like 30 minutes. Look at that. It's beautiful here. It's just the monkey chilling on the electrical wires. Straight up squirrel vibes.
Caught your sudden gaze and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further.
Oh wait, it's okay. It'll be fast. Hello vlog. We're on our way to the monkey forest. We live super close to it. We live like 10 minutes away. And so yeah, I will probably not vlog inside because the monkeys can and will yoink my phone. So bye. Oh my god, a monkey just tried to steal our bug bomb. So pretty here. Entering into the forest, besties. Oh, I know. This random hellhole right there. JK.
Talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying not to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over sent, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. Don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush.
Oh.
What's the best way to start? Cause if I'm not careful, I might lay it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last. So I'll start off slow with something really simple like, hey, hello, I kinda like your dimples with that. So dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long and now it's getting late. Oh, but even if I'm sleeping, I'm up all night just thinking of the words I wanna say to you. And no, I don't wanna say hate you. Most of the time I fall in love. It's with someone who laughs the way you do. So talking to you is all I want.
This place is so cute. We're eating here for lunch. Everyone wave for the vlog. Yay! Lunch squad. We all got mojitos on accident. Kidding. It was very intentional. So I got this chicken Bali salad. Alan got this traditional Indo dish. Let's dig in.
Let's go.
Yes, I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry, besties. Still working on my mojito. Yes.
Maybe I should just give up this time. But oh, I think I might regret not knowing who you really are. Cause I'm so curious about you. And I know that I could just forget you, but I can't really tell my heart to do a thing it doesn't wanna do.
Hello! The weather is really nice today, and we're by the waterfall, which is really fun.
I'm sweating my ass off.
Yeah, Bessie is sweating so hard, but it's so nice here. It's like, it really feels like Bali today now. Let me show you, let me turn you guys around. Like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then there's the waterfall. And then there's like a resort. Waterfall number 2. Going to lunch overlooking the rice fields and mangoes.
Feels bad.
New York City's never seen your face, but the moment they discover you, well, you'll be on your way. And I said New York City's never heard your name, but one day you'll let go coast to coast from here to Golden Gates. And she said, how many nights do I have to fall in love before I outrun my inhibitions? And she said, how many times do I have to call you up before you come and save me from submission? Ooh, you're too pretty, I told you so. Oh, New York City, it ain't your soul. You're too pretty, I told you so. Oh, New York City, it ain't your soul. So are you proud of who you have become? And is this
hungry besties. Just finished lunch, and now we're gonna go shopping.